Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last three videos, I've been showing you how to create a PDF file using your Visual Basic Windows Form application and a third-party DLL called iTextSharp. And in this video, I'm going to continue with this iTextSharp DLL to create the tables. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table inside your PDF file. And I think you will be familiar with this code because I've been writing this code in the last three videos, so I'm not going into details for this code. And if you want, you can just copy this code also, and then in this code just go where I have declared pdf doc dot open and pdf doc dot close, and inside this pdf doc dot open I'm going to write the code to create a table. So this is the code to create a table. I will explain this code line by line. So first of all, declare a variable called table, which is a instance of PDF p table class, which is from iTextSharp. And inside this bracket, just give the number of columns you want in your table. So this is the number of columns you want in your table, right? And in the second line I have declared a variable called cell as a new PDF p cell, and inside this argument I have passed a phrase. So just write new phrase and give the heading of your PDF file table name. So just this is the table header you are going to write. Okay, just write this line to give the header, and now you will define how much columns it will contain. So this is the column and this is the column span. Okay, so this will decide after three columns or after three items of cell, it is going to repeat on, it is going to add a new row. Okay, so just write cell dot columns call span is equal to 3, which is like this, same as this, right? And now in the second line or the next line, you are going to define the alignment of your header file. So just write cell dot horizontal alignment is equal to 1, and if you write here 1, your header will appear in the center of the header cell. Okay, so these three lines I think you have understood. So first line is to create the column or PDF table of column 3, and in the second line you are giving the header to your table, and in the third line whatever cell you have created, you are giving the span to your table header. So because you have three column table, so we are going to span your table header to the three cells. Okay, so it will cover all the three columns, and in the fourth line we are defining the alignment of the header. So we want to show our header in the middle of your cell, that's why I have written 1. If you write here 0 in place of this, it will be aligned left, and if you write 2 in place of 1 here, it will be the header will be aligned to the right. Okay, now in the next line just copy this table variable and just add your cell which contains the header. So just write table dot add cell and copy and paste this variable here. Now we are going to add rows to our table. So because this is a 3-column table, we are going to add 2 rows, for example. So just write table dot add cell column 1 row 1. So first cell will be column 1 row 1, second column will be column 2 row 2, and third cell will contain column 3 row 3. So for now, for example, I will delete this code which I have written below, and I will run this code here, and I will say create PDF, and when my table is created it will look like this. So column 1 row 1, column 2 row 1, and column 3 row 1, which has, this is row 1 and this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. And you can see here your header cell is has a span of 3 columns. So it's stretched from here to here, which covers column 1, column 2, and column 3. That's why we have written column span is equal to 3. For example, I write column span is equal to 2 here. So I will break my code and I will write column span, not here, but call span is equal to 2. And once again I will run my code here and create PDF file, and I will open my PDF. You see here your column or header will be spanned to 2 columns, right? And it's a hodgepodge it's created because it's thinking that this column will start from here, column cells will start from here. So generally whatever your column number is, you assign the header size according to that, right? And once again I'm going to paste the second row code. Just add table, once again table dot add cell column 1 row 2, and in the similar fashion we will write the column 1 2 3 and row 2. Okay, so this is the code to add table to your PDF file. At last what you need to do is just add this table to your document. So just write pdf doc dot add table, and this will add your table to your document, right? So this is the whole code to add table to your PDF file. And finally when I run the program and I will say create PDF, once again it will show the error because my PDF is already open. Once again I will create the PDF, and once again if you see I have a header and I have 2 rows. In a similar way you can add multiple rows to your PDF files. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.